is where we actually settled before we got the house over there. This lot doesn't perk till over here, but that one perks first. That's like a lot higher. If we ever do build another house, which I don't think we ever will because we got a really nice trailer, it would be layering in there.
In there. These are pretty. I don't know what it is. I know it's a weed, but it's pretty. Lacy.
It is kind of flowing.
But this is our blueberry top?
I think we lost 2, but we have 12 or 13 left. You know, you can see I did weed whack pretty recently, and they were pretty much not growing so well, but it's kind of like the strong survive. And these are all different kinds. I think there's 3 different kinds of blueberries. So I think some of them didn't, one brand didn't do so well.
Oh,
but
okay.
these will be really nice. And we only have we had 6 raspberries, but only 1 remains, and he's very happy.
What, black raspberries or red?
Yeah, this is a red raspberry.
Oh boy. Wow.
So it definitely needs a trellis. It needs a growing area. And we had one there. You can see there. You can see the wood chip.
Right. But I think they're going to multiply.
So the blueberries we can clone really easy. So we'll never have to get
More.
that again. And I think that these will be clonable as well. For some reason, the animals, and Taz included, loves pissing on this thing. Always gets his thorns in them. These are Jackie's favorite nuts.
Oh, they are?
This is the size of mine. That's been in the ground for about a year. And it doesn't get... Come on. You got to get them bigger than that, right?
Yeah.
I mean...
Yeah.
And they were like $6 for that. Man, this is a juniper. So look at this. So if we had like steak, you can use the berries. You shouldn't eat them.
I wasn't gonna.
Yeah, they're still kind of not ripe. And they only say to use them for flavoring and yeah.
I don't even take. I did bite it.
Yeah.
Yeah, not much.
There's a little bit of a berry.
A little bit of a flavor.
So yeah, but here, check out these ones. These ones are done. These are.
Oh, here's the blue one.
Yeah, these are the blue ones.
You come up here. I mean, in the
It's celery. Really?
You get snow up here or not really?
Get snow.
But where would I put it?
In between.
Okay.
If you do offset it, it's harder to mow. So if they grow into each other, great.
Okay, but
we'll cut them.
Where will I find them?
All everywhere. All in here. You found 2 of them already on the
those
Storybook
little
Trail.
ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I put the smallest one here out of his respect to his fruit tree. You know, but they're actually looking really good.
They are looking great.
Yeah. So the
And
thing
they'll make
is,
a beautiful.
from the porch, you can kind of see my porch.
Yeah.
I feel like they do come here, and they kind of try to look and see what's going on, and I don't know anything of that. So feel free to put
Okay.
like right there. Like that's like the ant area.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I've seen you guys in Florida, but this guy was the first one, so he's a little bit wonky placed. But I didn't want to pick him up, and
No.
yeah, and these are the locals, so they're real prickly.
Yeah, they're not the. They're
See,
not.
right there.
Yep.
See him?
I see it.
So small. The same, does it?
No.
Is it coming from the same stock?
I don't think so.
Him where Bill Smith was. So yeah, so this one is actually
A pecan.
Dennis. Dennis.
Okay.
This thing's amazing. This is Jackie's Aunt Ivy. We spent maybe 3
In the
yeah.
hospital.
Yeah,
With
this
the
is the
COVID.
crepe myrtle.
And her husband died.
Yep.
Yeah.
And that's him.
The
So-
big one.
Yeah, so he's some kind of cherry tree that we call group. He actually looks really pretty and has a wonderful shape.
Did you plant it?
No. No, I ran him over.
But it's kind of a nice tree, I think. No.
No.
Okay.
You gotta clean it up back here. So that's goji right there.
Oh.
So you can eat this. These
What's
ones,
it taste like?
It's delicious. You can have one.
yeah, here's a red one, Jack.
Oh, they're good.
Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Mmm, delicious.
We almost got it. So they come off like in a weird spot, like right here.
Really?
They'll stay green, and then as like the fall comes on, they'll start to turn brown and black.
Oh, so it's a black olive tree.
Yeah. No, so you can harvest when it's green, have a green olive. So black olives are just harvested later than green olives.
I like black olive.
$25 for this at the right time in the season, but we also paid for a little thing about this big, 2 of them. It's like 20 bucks each in the mail. Those things never grew. They're back there, and we won't ever see them again. But you know, this thing, look how strong it looks.
I know.
So this is, and you look,
And you
it's
can
getting
see
there too.
it's live. It's
Oh yeah. Probably need to put a little thing around him at some point. Joanne wants a magnolia, but you know, those, you get them when we get them. We just went to a place and happened to see a pecan. Yeah, we had 3 or 4, and we got a lot more maples like
Oh,
this.
look at them all. Wow.
Because we would just have the pots at Jackie's house, and
then
then
you'd bring them over.
no, the maple would put its leaves or seeds fall, and then they just start in a freaking thing, and you're like, well, how can I pull that one out? Yeah, and I like those. They're like a Concord.
Oh, I love Concord.
You know how they're the gooeyest?
Yeah.
The mustard guys just a bigger thing. So you got like swallow pretty hard to get the little goober down. But you know, it does choke sometimes. And this guy's not dead. This is my buddy Paul from West Virginia.
What happened to him?
No, he's the black walnut.
Oh,
He's
okay.
just like Ray.
Okay.
So you see that? He's still alive.
Right. Just
What happened to him is his cage actually fell on him and pushed him over, and he got leans going. So the compost, don't laugh at us.
There it is.
We actually, you know, we researched it. We had some netting around it,
Yeah.
and then it turns out that it actually just worked out. So,
You put the stuff here?
I mean, what's that?
I mean, if we have anything, like
Yeah.
a banana skin.
Like I have that
a
bag.
banana skin.
You can drive it down with a golf cart.
I can walk down.
Yep. And then you can just, if you want, you can shovel it over and just put a little like
Dirt.
shovel on top, and that's it.
A little dirt.
Yep.
Why do you call it Storybook Trail?
Where it opens up out of, it kind of opens into an open area,
Here's a nice
and it
one.
kind of looks like just one of those secret trails that goes to somewhere you don't know. Maybe like a gingerbread house is gonna be around the corner. And we actually thought about putting little trinkets and like little things to find on like kind of a scavenger hunt. But we haven't done it yet. Only some of this has been tilled.
Really?
So only the thing with weed mat, and that was our first garden, but we tried to hand do that and it didn't work too well. So we could start over here. Here you obviously see, these are the collards.
Right.
These are carrots, you can tell.
How long will these be? Did you ever get a
And
big
this is 1 week newer from seeds than these carrots. So each one of these strips is actually a different timing. And there's the onions that you're stepping on right there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Imagine. Those are beets,
Oh yeah, I can tell.
right? These are the beets. These are shallots. This is the Swiss chard. So if you want to do salad for lettuce, this is your lettuce salad. You can see there's fancy ones.
Oh yeah.
The beets are going to be red too. I actually made them into a salad because I did a BLT. I didn't know, but these are like kind of the fancy different lettuces. That's spinach, and that's more collards. These are her strawberries.
Oh great.
So the strawberries are perennial, and what she does is they were in the ground, but they grow up, and then you take the little like arm and you put it in a pot, and then
get
it'll make a
more.
new plant.
Wow.
So they call them runners.
What trees?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, this area's pretty. So Jackie's given us permission to eat one of her broccolis.
Oh my God, that's his favorite.
Look at, so there's one there, there's one there, and there's another one here.
Wow.
So and the cauliflowers did not grow. This is all from seed. It did not grow. And there's her thing, so you can leave it there, and I'll tell you how to turn it on over there if you want to. Those are some climbing beans on the thing there. But the broccoli we're really excited about.
Now, do you start this like in May? I mean April?
This was all started maybe like 2 months ago.
Oh my God.
So there's 3 growing seasons, and this is the last one. Then we got the tiller. So all of this has only been 2.5, 3 months.
Wow.
And it's only for the later season. These are supposed to be the strawberries for the first growing season. And then this is spinach. So you could try that. You like spinach?
I do.
It's his favorite. No, his favorite is broccoli.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
And the collards are good. I mean, so the collards taste like spinach. They're just a little bit more hearty.
It tastes like spinach?
Oh yeah. It's just more like more fibrous. Oh nope. That seemed to have something on the backside.
I don't care.
A little extra.
Yeah, we had this last night, and so if you have a little bit of bacon fat or something like that,
And fry it up.
yeah. So this is almost like if you don't
sweet.
eat meat.
Almost tastes
It's
like
like tough.
kale.
That's sweet.
Yep.
Very sweet.
Like
We
a
tried
kale.
kale, but we didn't get the kale. But the collard greens are good. Jackie says take the collards in here. So this was all under weed mat 2 weeks ago. She tore it up because it was never tilled by the machine.
Right.
And then here.
Yeah. You know what I'd be doing? I'd come out. Oh, great. Here.
Thank you.
I'd come out in the morning and pick stuff and put it in my smoothie.
Yeah, you should do it. I mean, there's a beet. So if you wanted to eat a beet, she said that's the oldest beet. This is the guy. So the middle season is actually the squashes, the watermelons,
watermelon.
and the pumpkins. And so this is a rogue one that came from a seed of the second season.
Wow.
So right here, there's some kind of zucchini squash.
Amazing.
And then these are actually these are beans. They grow in a bush. And this is the older collard. Yeah, that's what you know. But you see, we got the outdoor sink.
Oh, that's nice.
It's not in its final place. We do have drainage that we're gonna put on it, but it's still totally functional. We don't know where to put it yet, so we're trying a couple different spots out. These are shallots. We also have garlic.
Garlic?
This actually isn't really hard at all
Thank you.
to eat. This is real kind of passive.